Decepticon, welcome to the hoverboard in this free video. You can do whatever.
So this is mine right here, and this is Marshawn's. You see right there, and this is mine.
And Sincere, he doesn't see me, but he's still playing with us.
That one.
We doing a video.
That one.
That one.
Hey DJ, right?
Okay, look at the camera.
Say hi.
Hi. Say hi.
Yes.
Hey, let me
Okay.
see. Hey.
Wait, let me get up. Hey, hold it. Wait. Oh, what's up? Hey, look, my cops. I did got a hair, but it's still there.
I want to sit down, y'all. Yeah, look at me. Ow. Look at me.
Alright, look at Daddy over there. There go Daddy. Get over there. My daddy. Look at my brother.
My team right there.
I'm on my phone. What?
What's up?
Uh-oh, you fell, Kelly Kell?
Hey,
You know how to ride?
Hey, Daddy. We got two brothers. One at them. You got two brothers.
There's one behind there and one right there.
Yeah, let me show you over there. The little girl.
Go that way. Go fast.
You went too close to me. Sorry. Let's stop him. Stop. Stop.
He almost
I almost fell.
He flew off the bike.
Dang. Let's go over here.
Dang, you flew off the bike. Hey, y'all, let me see the video. Hey, y'all, look.
Hey, y'all, look.
Hey, look. Bye, Heaven.
Hey, look. Hey, dude. Hey, look, y'all.
This dude fell off the bike. This bull fell off the bike.
That's you? That's your
Daisy.
We nah, bro.
Is that shorty? Bro, you want to make me?
I already showed them already. They know about it.
Let me see.
No, you're not seeing my phone. Nobody can see my phone.
He can do it on me.
My son gets. Yeah.
So look. What's that, dude? We're doing a video.
That's from Bronson. Dude,
Hey, let's
from
go.
Bronson.
Come on.
He from Elephant Young.
Hey, he go to Milton Bronson. Mark Wright go to Milton Bronson.
And he go to Elephant Young where it's cold at. Yeah, bro. You go to Elephant Young. Come on, bro. Watch out. Gonna make me fall.
Hey,
Kushka. Turn it on. He ain't too big. Go back, sister. You can't let nobody see that. I ain't let nobody see this bad boy. Come on, go sit over here. Go sit over here. It's okay. It ain't gonna break.
oh God. Hey, bro, what is this? Oh, skirt.
Here go another motorcycle. Another motorcycle come down. You don't hear it? What you scared of? What happened?
He's getting a motorcycle.
I used to be
Can I
scared of
tell
my
him something?
No.
Please.
Can't see my phone. Look, I told you, look. Behind you. Told you. Nice motorcycle.
Y'all better not roll my baby over.
We not.
Huh?
Hey guys, so part 2 is gonna be tomorrow. And I'll see y'all in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.